Because if I want to do is smaller, can you see me? Both Facebook and Instagram. Just a little bit here because I don't want it using a twin tip brush. I'm so glad that is cheer you up and you're enjoying it, Maya. Just read it right here. I don't know. Maybe it's just that. Because if I cover this one, all my gold is gonna be gone. You know? You think so? Okay. Can you take care of this? Move it up. Down that side. And then white top coat. No white top coat, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me tonight, because usually, as I say, I'm always like watching episodes and chill. So, but tonight I got to see all of you tonight. Sorry if I miss any of comments, because I keep like doing what you tell me to do. So I was focused over here. If I miss it, then let me know. If you're naked though. It's funny. It's a little bit, then I feel naked. I need more. Wait a minute. Why do you think it's not enough? Now I feel better. Rose gold. Because we have rose gold here. Ladies, if you haven't get chance to enter to win the giveaway, it's time to do it now. So then you won't miss the chance to win a 1,000 giveaway. Thank you so much for love and support. We wouldn't be here without you, so it's like really appreciate the support and the love. And it's good now, everyone. I feel like, you know, be honest, if I'm by myself, I will bling them all out so you don't see this one. But I feel this one is naked. I could be wrong. Oh, if just in case, something really cool about this, just in case of you missing the spot, and I just need to put one or two, and I will do just I'm using the brush from Precision Glow right now. It's just like, it's in a thinner density. So I'm using the other end. And I am going to put the little guys right here. Hold on, I'm not gonna get that, guys. It's run away from me. It's okay. Facebook, can you see me? So make sure that Facebook can see me. Facebook can see me.
Yeah, everyone can see you.
Good. See, I just using a little brush from Precision Glue, and to keep it. Sorry, my finger move. It doesn't have it in there. Doesn't have it. I'm gonna fill it in. Haha. Oh, sorry. Beautiful. Are you happy with this? I can clear this. 60 seconds. Beautiful.
I'm done.
Yeah, and then we do Precision Glue, and then we'll be done. You close this one. 1 second. I can't wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna do this cute
Just the precision
gel painting. I can't wait. The really awesome thing about is have the precision brush in there. Is already ready for you to draw anything you want. 2 colors for you at first, but there's gonna be 12 colors come in, so you'll be so many beside our traditionals of gel painting. I'm so thrilled, I'm so excited. This craft is so stunning. And one of the nails that I did it was crafts for Easter. Okay, Precision Glue,
this one.
and then we'll be done.